alt text improves readability to virality. So what is alt text? Let's go to here. Let's go directly to go high level and let's just click on an image. Now inside the image you can see there is element name. Now element name is what is written here as identify the medium, right? Now here all of them are images. Now assume that you are trying to add this data, which is an infogram rather than an image like this one, right? So if I'm gonna change this image into my image, I'm just gonna drop in go high level and then click on it. Now the infogram is behind my page. Now instead of element like sections, I should say infogram or chart, right? If I want to put this image per se, right? Now this is a infogram. It's not actually an image. It's kind of a funnel, but it actually goes under an infogram. This is how to show something. So if I am using these kind of images here, let me just go and change this image. So I want to update this image here, right? Now you can see that here in the image element name, you are written as image, right? I can say like AI property management infogram, right? Now where does this actually come up in search result and why you're updating the alt text? So in order to see that, you have to go to Google and let's just write pancakes, right? Now you can see here there are multiple images of pancake. Now the reason why this particular image is being displayed here in Google result, all of this are probably shutter images or copyright images. They're trying to sell out this image. So how they try to rank up is like, if you go to here and go to inspect,